Oh, hello. Welcome to the channel again, everybody. Woo! Let's do this. Got some more Samyang noodles. Today we got one of the cup versions. This one's going to be the stew version. I don't know where the frick it says. It says right there, stew. So this one's more like your traditional, like, soup. If you can see that, let's see if we can tip this over here. Okay, that just looks like noodles and nothing else. Look at that. There we go. Some liquid in there. So apparently this one is 4,700 Scoville rating. So this is actually a little bit hotter than just the regular chicken, because this is just the regular chicken flavor, but a liquidy version of it. So yeah, it's a cold day here, minus 10 degrees Celsius. So I figure, might as well kick it up a notch, have some heat, see how this one tastes. All right. Hope everyone's having a great weekend. It's Sunday right now at the time of recording. Let's finish it off strong. Go into the week champion. Woo, baby, let's do this. All right. Let's just try the noodles out first here. This is so different because usually with the Samyang stuff, you pour it, just let it sit like on your plate and stuff like that, or you fry it up a bit. So it's like crunchy, a little bit dry and whatnot. This is sloppy noodles, man. It's going to be slurping everywhere on this one. So let's give this a try. Let's see if it's more spicier this way or not. All right, here we go. Let's dive in. Temperature-wise, it's hot. Boiling water. You gotta be careful. That'll melt your skin. I think boiling water could do that. All right. First bite there. That's pretty good. It has a different taste. It actually doesn't taste spicy to me really at all. Let's try another bite here. Okay. Interesting. It doesn't have the same kick of heat that you get from the other style of the Samyang noodles. So let's try this broth here. See how that goes. I freaking sucked that right back into my throat there. Whew! Oh, man. Cool. That was a good try of the sauce. Oh, man. Let's try that again. This time, just go gentle, man. I don't need to freaking hammer it in the back of my throat. Yeah, this is totally different. Oh man, I'm sweating from coughing there. Yeah, this is very much a different taste to it. It's not nearly as spicy. I don't understand how this is potentially 4,700 Scoville. Now, do keep in mind, these packaging types, they're going to be a different type of Scoville on there. So I'm going off of what the normal packaging would be for the ramen noodles. So this might not be 4,700, but I don't know. I don't know what it would be then. Like on a heatometer, I give this like a 3. It's not very hot at all. Oh, man. That coughing did not do me well, though. Jeez. Whew. So what's everyone's plans for the rest of the week? What does your Monday to Friday look like? Mine's going to be doing some training, running outside, getting used to the cold. It's so sad to see that I had to put my shorts and tank top away once it hits around the -10 range. And it's questionable. It's doable. You could still run with shorts on, but legs don't get too cold usually, so. Got Halloween coming up soon. Crazy time of the year. It's going to be even weirder this year because of COVID. What is going to happen with that? Yeah. Are people going to give out, like, hand sanitizer? I guess alcohol wipe. Here's an alcohol wipe for you, okay? And it's candy. You wipe that candy down, then you can put it in your bag. All right. This one's not bad. It's very light. If you didn't use, like, all the sauce, if you use, like, half the package, this would be so mild. Like, very mild, actually. I would actually recommend this one to people who want to try something spicy, but don't want to go too crazy with, like, the regular Samyang stuff. Do this. Use, like, half the package. You're not going to look like this guy. I don't know, maybe. If you have zero, like, heat tolerance, you might look like this chicken here, man. This chicken's always dying, though, man. Look at it, freaking glaring at this noodles there. And these motherfucker noodles are so spicy. Fuck's sakes, man. Yeah. It actually tastes like kimchi to me. They actually make a kimchi flavor. I have yet to try that one. Next week, maybe. 2 weeks, maybe. 3 weeks. We'll see. Whenever I get around to it. Gotta go buy some more, you know. Holy shit, man. The side of my mouth. Woo-wee. It's burning. Feels hot. Alright. We're almost done here. Get that slurp. Get that slurp. Oh, my hair, man. Fucking going everywhere. What's going on here? This is making me red. There it is around the eyes again. That's sweat. That is straight sweat, okay? Like that? I apparently can't swallow today properly. I'm just taking it in the back of my throat. You know, it's not good. Make you choke. All right, let's just drink this. This is probably where I'll die, though. This is where I'll choke on it. This is how I die, guys, is eating noodles on YouTube. All right. We're approaching 10 minutes here. Let's wrap this up. Come on, people got a life. They got things to do. They can't just sit here and watch noodles all day. Oh, man. That's where the heat is. Drink it. Just pound it back. Like a freaking spicy shot. Oh, okay, that's it. That's done. That is done. Right on, guys. Cool. Yeah, see, I'm swimming from that now. Cool. That was not bad. I would eat that like as a light snack type thing. Oh, the heat's kicking in right now, actually. Drinking all that sauce. Woo! Okay. Well, let's wrap it up, boys. Let's have a good weekend. Ladies and gentlemen. Woo, camera fell over. Holy shit. That means we're done. We are done. Everybody have a good rest of the week. Go watch some football. Go do whatever it is you do on a Sunday. Woo-wee. That was tasty. I like that flavor. I'm going to give that flavor like an 8 out of 10. I really want to try the actual Samyang Stew flavor, like the ones out of the package, not the cup flavor. Let's do it, man. Everyone stay great. Do your thing. I'm out of here. Bye.